Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Chris Whited.
Rain in some areas this afternoon and now this evening, but storms are gradually starting to weaken across the area. And as we continue to lose daytime heating, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms start to dissipate around the area. Rain's really ended here in the Lubbock metro area. We're still dealing with cloudy conditions right now on the Bob Mills Skyview network. And as we take a look at that live view from the Overton, again, we're seeing the overcast conditions now. As we progress through the evening, we'll see the clouds decreasing. We should be looking at partly cloudy conditions a little bit later. For tonight, here's the radar on the wide view. Pick out your community and see how you're faring on the rain. Really, most of the rain today has been on the Cap Rock, not really quite as much for you folks across the rolling plains. Coming a little bit closer right now. Pretty good downpour falling right now in Brownfield, one over Tokyo, and then a few areas of rain not too far from Plains. And we're starting to see a band of slightly heavier rain kind of shifting down into northern parts of Terry County as well as Yoakum County. All of this slowly moving down to the south. Seeing a couple areas popping up. One storm over here near West Point between Brownfield and Tahoka, one just north of Tahoka and one just south of Wilson. And we got a little storm popping up near Post, couple down near Justisburg and Lake Allen Henry. Those are drifting southward as well. Now, these are slowly moving, so there could be some brief locally heavy rainfall that could cause some minor flooding in spots. In fact, we've had a couple of flood advisories this afternoon where we saw some really heavy rain. Can you see where it's been raining? 72 in Muleshoe, 69 in Clovis, Dora, New Mexico 71, Littlefield is 74, Morton and Levelland 72, the Lubbock Airport down to 76, but head down the road, Tahoka, you're at 93, and on down Highway 87, it's 97 right now in Lamesa, 100 in Gale, 97 out in the Guthrie area. Variable wind, but the wind will gradually stay out of the north and northeast. We did have a cold front move through the area this morning, and the dew points right now are well into the 60s, so we do have some moisture to work with. But as we lose daytime heating, the showers and thunderstorms will dissipate. Over the last 6 hours, as I mentioned, most of the activity has been across areas of the Cap Rock and really the western South Plains vicinity. Now, the forecast model here showing the scattered showers and storms ending by late this evening. We'll have some clouds overnight and a few in the morning here, but partly cloudy conditions is what we're expecting across the area. And then as we head through Sunday, we're looking at mostly sunny conditions across the area, and then mostly clear conditions coming up for tomorrow night, and Monday looking pretty good as well. We'll have mostly sunny conditions here. Not too bad on the temperatures. We'll stay in the low to mid 90s, although high pressure will start to build back eastward as we progress into the week, and that will bring temperatures back up into the upper 90s and the low 100s. Forecast numbers for your Sunday: 94 in Morton and Levelland, as well as Littlefield. We'll go for about 93 here in the metro area for Lubbock, 93 at Matador, 92 in Rawls. Dickens, your high temperature around 92. And down across the southern half of the area, Lake Allen Henry, Post, Lamesa, and O'Donnell all reporting high temperatures tomorrow, right around 94, 95 for Denver City and Seminole. So again, storms this evening ending, then partly cloudy later tonight. We'll have a northeast wind at 5 to 15. The overnight low here in the Lubbock area about 67, 93 tomorrow, mainly a sunny day. We'll have a northeast wind through most of the day, then later into the afternoon and evening, the wind will start to turn more to the east. 68 tomorrow night, 94 on Monday. Then the numbers start building here as that high builds into the area. Tuesday's high 96, around 99 to 100 for the middle and the latter part of the upcoming week. And then early next weekend, we're still looking at temperatures in the upper 90s. Pretty warm at night with low to mid 70s in the area. We'll keep an eye on mid part of the week. Again, some model data is trying to show maybe an isolated monsoonal storm in eastern New Mexico. Those have a habit, they can creep across the state line into the western counties. But really the big story ahead is going to be another round of heat coming up middle of next week.
I know, I see that 3-digit number coming up, makes me a little nervous.
I really hate typing those in when I have to
I know, I feel like I'd cringe every time. All right, thanks so much, Chris. We'll be right back.